Welcome back to 6 Mile Style. Today I'm down at Limitless Garage. We are putting the unequal length Tomei manifold into my GT86. It's already run a Greddy GT Evo exhaust catback. These are catless headers, probably make it a wee bit lighter. Hopefully it doesn't sound terrible, but it shouldn't do. Yeah, stay tuned.
You boys are gonna have fun.
Yes.
Wayne? I ain't here.
All gear. Now I've got a Tomei number plates around and a Greddy one. I'm probably not going to use either, like the stickers. Oh yeah. Racy.
Yes.
You want them?
He's a sticker boy. He's a sticker boy. Look at the top of the toolbox. You definitely paid for the optional sticker.
I didn't. I don't even think that's an option. Like, extra €200.
I've got a Heineken number plate around.
I have two now. I have a Greddy one in the boot, but I don't think I'm going to use it.
That's for an American plate anyway, I wouldn't fit.
To be honest, it's too big for my front plate anyway.
It's the font's too big, but that is actually American plate size.
Is it?
Yeah, that's US import size because I liked it more. What do you think?
I think mine's all like a motorbike.
Approved? Dora.
Is it only get started?
Huh?
Has it only started?
Yeah. A bit late.
This is what I was wanting to see, how bad here is.
What? Under the bumper?
Right under the bumper.
Yeah, dead on.
Actually not too bad, because Robert said his was really bad.
Do you want my trolley, shorty?
No, you see, these low boys in the cars and fucking the boats that are meant to be 12s are like pushed up into like a 13.
Can you push a 12 at a 13?
Because the excited are flared out.
So not only has James flared arches, he's flared boats now as well on the underside. Taking GT86 modifying to the extreme.
It's not that bad, it's literally just enough. Can't get a socket on it.
Do you want to drill it?
No, just I'm going to bring it off on the thread. Dead on.
What are you up to?
On the bucket side on. Diesel car.
How's she getting on now?
Alright, like, one for a cage soon. Just a wee half one, like. Get her painted and stuff, and we're around for the road.
You picked the colour, didn't you? Was it a secret?
I did. Millennium Jade Green.
That's right, I thought it was the green. Oh, look well, like.
And I found someone else in Ireland last night that had painted theirs the same colour.
Oh, right.
So, it's out the window now. I'm gonna pick another green. See how it goes. Not a pain in misery.
What are you fucking yapping about? Go eat your dinner. Eat your dinner. Come on, eat it. Eat that there.
Do you want me to wag it?
Not gonna in there.
Just spit on it.
Hold it, man. Yeah, you got it?
Yeah, I've always got dirt in my eye.
You're smart. And there's the first one.
Stupidly. Yeah, so we're taking these off and we've noticed that all the bolts and nuts even are stupidly loose.
That are there.
That are there.
That are
There's a few
there.
missing.
Which are they?
Obviously when this went into Toyota for its valve spring recall.
They apprenticed on this.
Yes.
Torch there. My torch is like.
I love you.
No, I've got by today.
Here.
one out.
Two out.
I'm assuming this one's it, like this sort of. Yeah, it looks like it.
Sensor deleted with the fuck.
That's you leaning up against the frickin' bonnet cable or bonnet catch.
Shut up. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
look.
fair.
As I say, it's dropped right up.
Just drop it down.
Well, we're nearly at
What's your
My hair look alright now?
Ah, it looks alright.
That's one.
I would say so. That's why I'm standing here with a heatproof jacket.
You should have seen me taking ones off in the electric, like there's a breaker bar with like 4 extensions.
Yeah.
That's not a good spot, like.
Come on, up. Someone get a big ass screwdriver or something, prise that there apart. Oh, all the rust just went down my back.
You.
That's a wee snail.
Hey, get off that there!
He likes the heat.
Have a look what she said.
Hey, I should got her collar cut.
Same. I hope. Okay, I came off my hand. You can slip it in between.
Yeah.
Right, someone give me a nut.
Right, manifold is back on, and we're plugging the sensors back in, and then we're going to start her.
Good, alright.
On the left.